NYS tracking system is now operational and contains a comprehensive data of 107,350 youths who have undergone the NYS program since 2014, and another 49,511 continuing servicemen and women at different stages of the program. The system has now become a reference point of choice for employers in search of superlative employees known for their hard work and excellence. And on that note, I wish to commend today our discipline services for paying heed to my directive to employ NYS servicemen and women during their mass recruitment.